Today where I shop and some of my clients shop, and I'm going to show you some hacks for fast meal prep. So first I always check to see what's on special. Obviously the veggie department, cauliflowers are $2.99. That's a very good price, by the way. But what we really want to do is grab some fast meal prep ideas. So one of my hacks for meal prepping and making a really quick salad is grabbing one of these coleslaw mixes. So they only serve 2 people, but what they're going to be is a base for a salad, and then we're just going to add things to it. So what I have done this week is I grabbed one of these, and then I actually wanted a mango, but there was none. So these are delicious. It's red papaya. So that's quite a big one, but I just got a smaller one, and this is an amazing addition. It kind of makes a salsa-y type. I just chop it finely and add it to that coleslaw mix with coriander, with some cucumber. You can actually add all sorts of bits and pieces, some bean shoots, and it just makes this amazing, great slaw salsa-y type of salad, which I made on the weekend, and it lasted 3 days. And then we had them on tacos. I had it on my sandwich. It was amazing. So the next thing I'm going to just do is have a look at what meat is on sale. So for example, when we want to do meal prep, here's a great example. So this week, and Aldi has different specials. So they've got this pork fillet. This is a great easy way to do a meal prep. When you're cooking dinner, you could either grab 2 of these, use one for dinner, cook the other one, and then you've got meat on hand as protein. So I did grab one of these this week, and that's what we're doing. So that's a really easy way to do a really fast meal prep. So obviously, if you're using mince, you can make a taco mince and have that in bulk. The other thing that I find really awesome for a meal prep situation is these boneless butterfly chickens. So same thing, if I was cooking dinner tonight, I could just cook this at the same time, and then I've got extra chicken. Actually, I'm just going to grab one of those while I've got it, to have on hand. And that can do, once you've got your protein on hand, then you've got so many options for salads, for lunches, for basically getting yourself prepared. So those are kind of the things that I look for. The boneless meat is going to cook faster, so it's easier to use when you're meal prepping. The other thing is, there's a boneless butterfly lamb. That's an easy one to do as well. But basically think about when you are cooking dinner, making it super fast and easy to have something cooking at the same time. So you're saving yourself time, but you're preparing for success going forward. Hope this is helpful.